In this video, you will learn about a simple and powerful strategy that was used by someone who is like you and me, absolutely normal person, and he grew his account from $50 to nearly $20,000 by using this exact strategy. And that exact strategy I am going to show you in this video. So watch this video very carefully till the end. And if you think this video added some value to your life, then make sure to like this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to select the currency pair whichever you want to make trade on, okay, and make these currency pairs favorite by clicking here. And then your candlestick should be of 1 minute. That means all of these candles are forming in 1 minute time frame. Once you have done this much, then you select your trading time frame 1 minute, okay. And then now you just have $50 in your account, right? So you start with $5 investment, okay. And if you lose this $5 investment, then you invest $10 investment. Now if you lose 2 investment in a row, then stop and see in any other currency pair, okay, the trading condition that I'll explain you after some while. And if you make profit in $10, then again come back to $5 investment, okay. And let's say you made a loss of $5, again you made a loss of $10. Now you invest $20, okay. Now if you make a profit in while investing in $20, then again return back to $5 in your next trade, okay. In that way you will be using semi-marginal format, okay. You just double up your investment up to $20, not more than that, okay. And if you lose all of those three, then again you start with 5 and 10, okay. So technically you have 5 chances to keep on trading: 5, 10, 20, 35 plus 15, okay. So I hope you understood this investment strategy, okay, that was being used to grow an account from $50 to $20,000 within 1 month, okay. So if you are still confused, then you can ask me in the comment section below, or you can again repeat and watch this video and understand it properly firstly, okay. And then once you have done everything at here, now it's time for you to implement an indicator. Just click on here, okay, and search for an indicator that is called momentum, okay. Just click on momentum indicator. Now momentum indicator looks like this, okay, but just click on this pencil icon and then click on this styles, okay, and then click on click on this setting gear. As you can see here, click on it, okay, and then make it 2px and click on this line instead of histogram, okay. Just click on this line and click on save. Now you will see this kind of format in this indicator. Now one thing you need to be absolutely clear, okay. So that is what that is the market should not be moving in this type of format, okay. Wherever you want to make a trade on, market should be like in this kind of format, okay. It's going up and down, making a hill like format, okay. So this is also fine, but it is also a little bit risky. But you can see in any other currency pair also, if in one currency pair you don't find. So this is the type of market you should avoid, okay, short candle markets, okay. So let's see in this one. So this is also fine, it is going up and down, right. So this is a little bit not suitable market, okay. So once you find out the market that is going up and down, then let me show you properly. Okay, so let's see on here also. So whenever market is going up and down, let's see in another, okay. So to make you absolutely clear, so here is one let me show you properly. So here is one example, okay. So what happens is, this is called this above line, okay. This is top is called overbought region and this below is called oversold region, okay, in normal way. So whenever the market starts to move in upward direction, okay, and you start to see green candles forming, at that time you start to make trade by clicking on higher, okay. You can easily take 4-5 trades, okay. And let's say if you made 5 trades, then maybe 3 trades would go right and 2 trades may go wrong, okay, and that would still make you profit, okay. So your trade, maximum of your trade are going to go right, okay. So you just need to see at the downest level, okay, not this kind of level, at the down, okay, wherever the market is coming and it starts to move upward and it starts to make green candles, okay, then you can start to make trade by clicking on higher. Similarly, so similarly, where here also you can see it is at this top, okay, in here, okay. So whenever it starts to fall down and it starts to make red candle, and then you can make trade by clicking on lower. But as you can see here, there are less number of red candles, right? And maximum of your trade could go wrong if you fall into this region while making trade. So after making two trade, if you make loss in continuously in two trade, then you need to stop, okay, and think if this market will still fall down or go up. Watch it properly, okay. Similarly, here also you can see where, so this is not. So here also you can see market have tossed this above level, and it is the same thing here also. You can, it can be a little bit risky. So I was telling you, like, you need to avoid this kind of market, okay. So you need this kind of market in order to go right, okay. So as you can see here, at this peak, okay, it is falling down, okay, and you can see there are red candles, okay, again, and green candle, but still you made some trade. Then some of your trade may go right and some of your trade may go wrong, right? So similarly, here also you can see in here it came to the downest level, okay, it is falling down, okay. So here you can see it is clearly falling down, right, and this is also coming up to this level. Now it has started to move in upward direction, and you see continuously green candles are forming. Now you start to make trade by clicking on higher. So in this way, by making trade in this way, a person was able to grow his account from $50 to almost $20,000. And you can test this strategy properly in your demo account firstly, okay, and then use it in your real account to see results like this.